Welcome. If you're self-employed or running an LLC, applying for a stated income loan could be a smart financial move for you. These loans can simplify the borrowing process, especially if your income varies, or if you want to skip the extensive paperwork that traditional loans often require. Let's break it down together. So, what exactly is a stated income loan? Essentially, it allows you to declare your income without needing to provide a mountain of documentation like tax returns or financial statements. You might hear these referred to as no-doc or low-doc loans, and they can be a great option for many business owners. Now, let's talk about eligibility requirements. While these can differ from lender to lender, there are some common criteria you should be aware of. Most lenders will look for a good personal credit score, typically around 680 or higher. Your LLC must be active and registered, and you'll need to show proof of business activity, which could include a website, invoices, or your employer identification number. Some lenders may also ask for collateral or a down payment, and having a business bank account can strengthen your application. Ready to apply? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. First, do your research on lenders. Look for banks or alternative lenders that offer stated income loans. Some well-known options include Chase Bank, Bank of America, Truist, and online lenders like Funding. Next, prepare your pitch. Even without traditional income documentation, you'll need a clear business plan, revenue projections, and a solid explanation of how you intend to use the loan, whether it's for working capital, equipment, or something else. Opening a business checking account with your chosen bank can also help establish a relationship that may improve your chances of approval. Once you're ready, submit your application. Most lenders offer online applications, and you'll typically need to provide your LLC formation documents, your EIN, a personal ID, and the stated income amount you're declaring. Don't forget to follow up confidently. Being proactive can make a significant difference, as approval often hinges on how well you present your business and its potential. A few things to keep in mind. These loans may come with higher interest rates since they carry more risk for lenders. The loan amounts are usually lower, typically ranging from $10,000 to $50,000, although some can go up to $250,000. On the bright side, you might receive your funds within just a few days. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services, or visit us at mannoetax.com for more insights. Your journey to financial empowerment starts here.